Welcome back. I know I've been gone for a little bit. You know how it gets in the Northeast with the winter. Got a little garage. Can't really do much. Most of my work is outside, but I'm back finally. At least I got a video, to come back. Been through a life-altering situation in my life, and nothing but blessings going from here on up. The Lord always has my back. I just follow His path. But other than that, today I got an exciting video, something that we've all been waiting for. I know not only you, but me. Let's change up the look of this car. Finally, we're gonna change up the look. Today, I got something exciting for y'all. Let's go ahead with the video, and y'all see what's going on with it. Start for the gang. But today, what we got today, we're gonna put those things right there. We're gonna put them on baby girl right there. It's about time that we go ahead and change it up. The stock wheels are cool and all. I don't like that they're black. I'd rather have them silver, but last owner had them powder coated black. Let's put these wheels. I hope they fit, hope they don't rub, hope they don't give me any issues. But we'll figure that out when we actually get those put on. But I got a set of tires outside. We're gonna go ahead and load it up, and then let's get these mounted and see how it looks. Look how I got Shorty. Shorty is stuffed. But look, I got two in the front seat. I got all the tires back here. Got the other two rims back there. It's a full house. Let's go ahead and ride to the tire shop. My man's gonna go ahead and take care of these. Aqua, say what up to the camera. What up, Aqua? Aqua. You wanna say hi? Nah? Say hi to the camera. I'm about to finish cleaning the front now. I'm gonna flip them over, and I'm gonna treat them way better than I did the backs. The backs, I didn't really care. I didn't really care too much about the back. I just wanted it to look at least semi-nice. So let's go ahead and, work on the front. I didn't show you guys the wheels yet because I wanted you guys to wait till this very exact moment to actually see. As you guys know, this is a budget build. So I got these wheels on a budget. Even the tires I got on a budget. The tires I ended up getting used. They're actually 4 Michelins. They're 225, 40, 18. The wheels, obviously I just gave it away. They're 18s. By buying the tires I spent, for 4 of them, Michelin, I spent 180 on the tires. And the wheels alone, I paid 220 for them. Yeah, they're scuffed up, but it's all right. It's used tires. Just want to get them used wheels. I just want to make sure that I get the car looking nicer. If they fit, perfect. If they don't, I'll just sell them, get some other wheels. But this is more of a trial and error, so you guys are gonna see and stick with me and see if this is something that's gonna hit. If not, we'll pass. Guys, the difference is phenomenal. Damn, these things look. God, this thing over here is screaming. Just phenomenal the way these came out. Oh man, I love the way they came out. You guys ready? Look how freaking clean. It's still wet. I might have to do another pass, but for the most part, she is beautiful. You can't go wrong for $220 rims. Can't go wrong. Even if they don't fit or they don't fit right on my car, I'll sell them and either get my money back or more. But let's go ahead and get these on. Finally got this car nice and washed. I can't wait for you guys to see the results. But for those who have never seen this Civic that I got, it's a 2007 Civic SI. It had obviously the 2007 front. I converted over to the 0911 front end. Mods are the only mods that I have on this car is I have an intake. I think it's an AEM intake, stock headers, stock exhaust besides resonator delete, full coilovers, adjustable. I got, and now you guys see in this video, I got the wheels. She's looking so good. I definitely need some camber adjustment, arms in the back for the rear. You know, I've been driving it for a couple days and it rubs a little bit when I'm turning. So I'm pretty sure if I get some camber arms, it will, you know, make that a little bit better. And I do need an alignment in the front. But other than that, she looks so beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go drive to my spot and then I'll show you guys from there. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I just can't wait to show you guys. I really hope you guys like it. Please let me know in the comments below if this is something that you like. Do you like these wheels? Is it too much? Should I change the wheels up? Should I go less? Offset? No Migos? You guys let me know what you guys think. This thing looks so beautiful. And for all those people who's been watching you know, this whole series, thank you. There's still a lot more to come, still more content. So if you like what I'm doing here, please let me know and we'll go ahead and keep going. But let me show you guys exactly. Let me just show you guys. Well, that's all, guys. That's for today. I really appreciate everyone who stuck through, saw the video. And if there's something you really do like, you know, please, if you really appreciate your boy, just like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have someone that you really love, make sure you tell them that you love them, because tomorrow's not promised. On to the next one.